Hello everyone, it's Nady, and today we'll be unboxing the latest Jeffree Star Cosmetics mystery box. As you beautiful people know, this is about the products, not the people behind them. Any tiff you may have with them, please cast it away because this is a channel of positive energy. Okay? Thank you. Okay, so I am very sorry if my voice gives out or is a little bit hoarse. I've been a tiny bit under the weather lately. My god, I was gonna make a hoarse voice joke talking about fucking a horse, but that is not correct. I came back from Europe and wanted to deep clean my whole house, and I am very not okay with dust. And this daddy sounds like I've been deep throating D's for 3 days straight. Which in theory does sound fun, but needless to say, my throat hurts, it does not feel good, I should probably not even be talking. But I have so many amazing things that I want to review, this being one of them. And yes, I know I am so fucking late to the game. I think this was like a Valentine's Day box. Bitch, it ain't even February anymore. But a lot of people have been asking me about this, and I think I paid like 40 bucks for this. There's no way I'm just gonna let this little bitch sit on my counter. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. If I remember correctly, I think there was 2 different variations for this box. This smaller one and then like a $75 one. Hold on, let me look on their website. Yes, this one was $40 and you get $75 worth of savings, and then there's a $75 one where you get $115 worth of savings, and the difference was that the bigger one you got like merch items, and I'm the kind of person that does not wear anything with logos on it, so that kind of would have been a waste for me. So instead we just went with the smaller one, and I'm totally happy with that. And truthfully, this is probably the only time in my life where I'll say smaller is better. But I think I want to do this unboxing in the style that I do my BoxyCharm unboxings, where I keep it a total surprise and just reach in. Let's see, it looks like we have a lot of fluff. And the first item we have is a condom? No, a pop socket. Oh, that's fun. I have never owned one of these before. I can't say that I've ever wanted one, but they do kind of seem handy, especially if you're a clumsy bastard like myself. Let's go ahead and open this. Oh, that's cute. It's got the nice little Jeffree Star logo on that. I'm digging this. Ooh, she pops just like she should. Does she lock? Oh, she pops and she locks. You get it, you bad bitch. And I guess this just sticks onto the back of your phone. I don't know how much I trust that. Oh god, that scares me. I got my phone at full price unlocked, and I don't know how much I trust that sticky thing, but it is still really fucking adorable. Oh my god, I'm dying. Alright, next item. Ooh, do we have a pocket vibrator? No, we have a Jeffree Star lipstick in the shade Watermelon Soda. I think I actually have this one. I think this was from his summer collection. Oh my. She's a little bit separated, but that happens with liquid lipsticks. Let me just give this little hooker a shake. I can't remember, was this from the summer collection or not? I thought the summer collection had different packaging. But you know, now that I'm looking at my collection, I don't think I have this one. Hold on, let me take a look. No, it doesn't look like I have this exact one. I do have ones from different brands that are very, very close. I will be showing you all my entire makeup collection in an upcoming cleaning video, so I'm very excited for you to see that. Totally unrelated to anything I'm fucking talking about right now. But from what I can see, I do not have this shade, and let me go ahead and smell this. She ain't got a smell? Does it? I think it does have a smell, and I'm pretty sure this is from the summer collection because it has that watermelon smell, which makes sense because it is watermelon soda, but I think like Queen Bee smelled like that too, which was that absolutely horrendous yellow shade. Very nice. I'm quite excited to use that. I'm very down to fuck with these bright ass pinks. So yay for that. Let's go ahead and move the fuck on. We have another little pocket vibrator size thing. Ooh, this is triggered. I'm pretty sure I have this shade. Is it the sparkly one? Oh, ooh, that is very pretty. A little bit gloopy. Let's just put you back in there. Let me see if I have this one. Yes, actually, I do, so I might end up actually listing this one on Poshmark. It is brand new. All I did was take the little wand out. Let's go ahead and show you the one that I do have. In fact, I did a full review on this collection. It is very pretty. I love this color. And this does not have a smell whatsoever except for like the normal cosmetic smell, which I personally very much appreciate. I would rather my cosmetics have that slight chemical cosmetic smell than to have it be super fragranced and smell like the ass of a unicorn. So yes, there we have that. Really, I'm not disappointed. I did kind of figure I'd get things that I already own because I do review cosmetics for my living. I have a lot of Jeffree Star Cosmetics shit that I've reviewed, so it's kind of inevitable. But fortunately, I got shades that I'm actually down to fuck with. So let's go ahead and keep on digging into this little baby. Ooh, I think we got another lip product. Ooh, Starfish. I haven't even heard of that one. Ooh, and it's a bullet. Ooh, that is really pretty. It's kind of like Barbie pink. Ooh, yes. Oh, yes, and the snap is not broken. The first ever bullet lipstick that I got from this company was unicorn blood, and the snap was broken on it, and I was so bummed because I was a broke ass bitch and I worked so hard to save up for this thing, and the top just ended up falling off and the lipstick got super dried out. Very sad story. I ended up having to chop like the top layer off. I still have it and I use it sometimes, but much like my ex's genitals after attending Pride, it will never be the same. And I think we we are on to our last item. Could it be? Wait, no, there's a couple more things in here. Oh, another lip product. Ooh, we have Can't Relate. I'm pretty sure I have this one as well. Yes, yes, I do. This is a really pretty nude color. Ooh, I love this one. That is probably going up on Poshmark as well, though, because I don't need two of them. In fact, I think I have it right here. Yes, I do. So just to show you what it looks like. Wait, is that the same thing? Hold on just a second. This one looked a lot lighter. Maybe not. Okay, here's what that one looks like. And then here's what my old one looks like. That does look a lot darker. I don't know if you guys can see the color difference or not, but shit. That is very weird. The new one is like 3 shades lighter, but the one that I had before is kind of like a dark plummy color. That is very interesting. I mean, they're both Can't Relate. I don't know if you can see that or not, but how odd. I actually wonder if this shit oxidizes and maybe some air just got into mine and made it deepen a little bit. I thought maybe these were from different batches, but the batch number is the same. At least I think that's the batch number. Maybe it's not, but either way, they're both still really fucking pretty. So I'll set mine over there and then the unused one over there, and I think we have one item. It feels large. Did we finally get that birth control pill holder? No, we have a highlighter. This is the Deep Freeze highlighter. Is this one of his old ones? Yes, this is a normal Skin Frost. Deep Freeze, that kind of scares me. Judging by the name, it's probably not gonna match my skin tone. Oh my. Okay, well, that is definitely a unique shade of highlighter, which I am all for. Not gonna lie though, I would probably be a little bit more excited if I were, I don't know, maybe a Smurf. Otherwise, when in the hell am I ever going to use this? Like, don't get me wrong, I really do love a unique shaded highlighter. But really, I mean, really? Really? Okay, I do want to swatch this really, really bad, but I think I might list this one on Poshmark as well. Although I will say this would make abso-fucking-lutely stunning lip topper or eyeshadow, so maybe I want to keep it. Oh, I don't know. What do you think? Yes? Should I list it? Oh. Either way, don't get me wrong, it is a very, very pretty highlighter. I just wish there were a few more wearable items in this box. I know the point of a mystery box is pretty much just to clean out the warehouse. Ain't nothing wrong with that bitch, is making his money how he can. But the only other highlighter that I have of his that I actually use is like peach something, golden peach goddess, I don't know. So I was kind of looking forward to having another like nude shade to add to my collection. Okay, so now I have to think, if I were just an average consumer and didn't already have most of this, would I be satisfied? How much did I pay for this? $40, and then I think with shipping closer to $50. I don't think I would be unsatisfied, but I might be a little bit disappointed. Actually, you know, I don't think I would be disappointed because really the only unwearable item in here is the highlighter. And typically with Jeffree Star highlighters, though they look unwearable in the pan, when you put them on your skin, they blend out beautifully into something that's actually wearable. And so I do think I would be satisfied. Like, the liquid lipsticks are really, really pretty. The weirdest shade we got in here was this purple right here, which I think is very, very wearable. I love these deep vampy looks. And we did actually get a pretty good selection. Like, we got a couple really bright pinks, we got a really pretty nude, we got a vampy color. This thing, though I don't know that I'll actually use it, I've never really had anything with Jeffree Star's logo on it, and so it is kind of fun to have. Like I said before, I don't really wear shirts with logos or anything on it, so it's kind of fun to have something with his logo on it. Although I guess the like 8,000 products of his that I've reviewed all have his logo on it, so what the fuck am I talking about? Truthfully, the only thing that I'm actually kind of disappointed in is this highlighter, and I guess I'm not necessarily disappointed, I'm just bummed, which is I guess the same fucking thing. God damn, Nady, get your shit together. Overall, I do think it was worth the 40 bucks, even with just the lipsticks and the little pop thing alone. This was kind of just an added bonus. Am I gonna keep everything? Unfortunately, probably not, just because I do have duplicates. I'm either gonna give it away or, like I said before, list it on my Poshmark. But yeah, I was actually hoping to get enough products to do like a full look today. Don't know what in the fuck would have been in this box to be able to do that, but unless I'm wanting to do like a full face of liquid lipstick again, then that's probably not gonna happen. Which, honestly, I'm totally okay with that. I feel like it's been a long ass time since we filmed a video and not done a full makeup tutorial, so this is fine. Seeing how this was, I think, the second series of mystery boxes from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, would I recommend it in the future? I think I would. I did say that I don't care about like merch or anything, but I'm almost curious to see what all would be in it. So maybe next time around I might spring for the more expensive one. I don't know, maybe not. But I do think we got some cool items, and if you are a makeup collector like myself, then I do think this is a cool way to kind of inexpensively add to your collection. And I'm not gonna lie, I do kind of get off a little bit from the thrill of the surprise. It's like going to the doctors and waiting to hear if you got an STD. STD or not. But do I recommend future mystery boxes? Yeah, I think I do. And there you go. Let's see if I remember the outro. It's literally been like a month and a half since I've last filmed. Like always, please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell down below so that you're notified anytime I upload a new video. Don't forget my newest collection of highlighters, including Black Ice, which does change from black to white, is available at thepoplex.com. Also, my latest album, Kiss of Fame, is available everywhere online that music is sold. Thank you so much to everyone who's supporting them. Comment down below, let me know what you thought of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter at OfficialLady, and you can follow me online at thepoplex.com. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you again soon. Bye. Ooh, I remembered it. Yay!